If your Texas summer energy bill just hit $400, your AC isn't the problem. Your home's exterior envelope is failing, forcing your system to work 40% harder. Here are the 3 hidden culprits. First up, the roof and attic. Damaged shingles and blocked vents turn your attic into a 160-degree oven. That trapped heat radiates directly through your ceiling, baking your living space all day long. Next, failing window seals. Brutal Texas UV rays and spring hail quietly destroy your window caulking over time. This creates an invisible two-way draft, sucking hot air in and letting your expensive conditioned air escape. Finally, unsealed exterior gaps. Every space around pipes or siding joints acts as a literal hole in your house. These tiny breaches quietly drain up to 40% of your home's cooling efficiency. Normally, you'd pay 4 different guys hundreds of dollars in separate inspection fees just to find these leaks. But My Guy Roofing inspects your entire thermal envelope in one single visit, completely free. Stop air conditioning the Texas summer. Claim your free $200 energy inspection through August 2026. Call Derek at 214-927-3673 to fix your energy bill today.